Time of supply in GST. The time of supply in GST is when goods or services are considered supplied. Time of supply is important for determining the tax rate, tax period, and due dates for the payment of GST. Let's see the time of supply for goods. When goods are dispatched to the recipient, example, leaving a warehouse, it is date of removal. When goods are provided to the recipient, if not removed, example, bill to ship transactions, it is date on which goods are made available. When an invoice or similar document is issued, it is date of issuance, if within the prescribed period. When payment is received, it is date of payment, if it occurs before the invoice. Now, let's see time of supply for services. When invoice is issued within the prescribed period, after service, use the invoice date. On completion of service, if no invoice provided within the prescribed period, the service completion date is used. On receipt of payment, the payment date is used if it occurs before the invoice or service completion. In reverse charge mechanism, the time of supply happens in the earliest of receipt of goods, payment date, 30 days for goods, 60 days in case of services, after invoice date by the supplier. To know more, contact us. Also, like, share, comment and subscribe.